YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Rodney, and we back with another YouTube video.
In front of the millions.
Alright, YouTube, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribing. Alright, so look, man, I ain't made a video in a minute. It's been like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. So I got a little anxious one day and like just tried to cut my hair right quick and then wasn't paying attention and butchered it, right? That's like the short version of it. I'm about to show you what it looks like because it's pretty bad, man. It's pretty bad. So this is where I pushed it back to. This one's really bad. Look at this. Back here, this is where it's supposed to be. So I'm about to go in and it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna go in here. As you guys can see, I got the self-cut system, a little equipment right quick. And I'm gonna fix this up right quick because it's looking pretty bad for your boy. So I'm not gonna show the cut. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna show what it looks like afterwards, but we're looking pretty bad, man. So stay tuned. We back, baby. This is the cut. As you can see, the line is back up where it needs to be. It's in there nice and tough. This white stuff is just from the pencil. I'll probably wipe that out like later on. But man, I'm definitely feeling the cut, man. I feel new. I feel revitalized. I feel regular once again. So I ain't gonna lie, I feel pretty good. Definitely feel pretty good. Today's my day off too, so I'm about to brush. My waves is nice and neat. You know what I'm saying? They coming along. I'm woofing. I'm back woofing, man. I think I'm going on like week number like 3 or 4 or something like that. I'm gonna try to get this 10 in. Man, it's going great right now. I feel great. I feel immaculate. You know what I'm saying? But look, here's what I'm gonna do next. First off, I need you guys to let me know, what do you think of the cut? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Did I do my thing? Did I bring myself back together? I definitely think I actually know I killed it. But I did a wash and style the other day. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put some butter in my hair and I'm just gonna brush, man. Just gonna brush. So make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys subscribe, and we out.
I'm not a star. Somebody lied, I got a pistol in the car.